I'm Billy Lane, and choppers are my life. I'm just a regular blue-collar guy, always have been, always will be. The last several years, my life has changed tremendously. It's just gotten out of control and crazy. I think my biggest strength is being an innovator. I'm always looking for something new. I'm always looking for a way to keep myself interested and to take myself to the next level. I like doing things that people say can't be done. I like doing things that have never been done before. And when I came up with the idea for Blood, Sweat, and Gears, told a few friends about it, and people just shook their heads. Blood, Sweat, and Gears is traveling around the country, live fabrication on the road, basically going to the outdoor bike events like Daytona, Sturgis, Laughlin, Laconia, Myrtle Beach, and Biketoberfest. Creating a full metal shop, a full machine shop, a full welding shop, a full bike shop on wheels. It's a huge undertaking. Putting that trailer together was something I knew I couldn't do all myself. I put together a team to assemble something that we could take all over the country. And we literally had everything on the road that I have in my shop. We could hand make one of these gas tanks. We could do anything. There's nothing we couldn't do. We could fix a helicopter if we had to. I said I'm going to do it. I put the trailer together. I made my commitments, and then the next thing was, now, who am I going to do this for? And then I got an email from Isabel Ferrucci about her husband, Michael.
I was looking for a sissy bar for my husband's bike, and so I went on your website to see if I could purchase one, and there was nothing on there, so I went to the email addresses and asked if I could purchase a bar for my husband because he is currently deployed, and I'd like to have it for him when he got home as a surprise.
I just looked at the email and said, hell yeah, I'll do this for you.
All of a sudden there was an email in my account from the shop, so I started reading it, and then I realized it was actually Billy had written me and gave me his phone number. I was like, oh my God!
Because the military, we're able to live free the way we do. It was my way of saying thanks.